Hi guys, it's Melissa with Real Estate Savvy, and this is video 3 in my video series about the real estate purchase contract. If you don't know, the real estate purchase contract is what you use as a buyer when you want to buy a property to present your offer, and it's what the sellers review and either accept, reject, or make a counteroffer with once they get your offer. It's a legally binding document and it's pretty darn important. So in my state, it's 8 pages long, and rather than have a 45-minute video that bores everyone to death, I decided to do separate videos for the different sections of the contract in my state. The contract in your state should be very similar. So the next section that we're going to talk about, we've already told them who we are, how much we're going to pay, how we're going to pay for it, when we want to take possession of the property. The next section that we're going to talk about is who's paying fees. Am I, as the buyer, asking the seller to pay my escrow fees? Am I asking them to pay for my title insurance? Are we each just going to pay our own fees, which is typically what will motivate a seller more than anything, because they don't really want to pay your bill. And then you also designate who the different agents are and brokerages that are involved in this transaction. So your realtor will put their name, their brokerage name, their license number, and then they'll also put the seller's agent's name, their license number, their brokerage. So there's no confusion later about who is supposed to be involved, who's supposed to receive a commission, any of that. And that way you know who is involved on one side. You're not guessing as to who the players are. The next section in that is regarding seller disclosures. And I'll get it to a timeline section in just a minute, but as a seller, you have to fill out a form called a seller disclosure that basically asks you a bunch of questions about the house. Has there ever been a fire? Has there ever been a flood? Have you ever done major roof repairs? All sorts of things that a buyer would want to know as part of their due diligence, which is also known as their checking out of the house before they buy it. So in here, it talks about the seller's disclosure and talks about the different categories of things that they will provide to you, and then anything additional that you want. So for example, a home that we actually made a purchase on that didn't work out, but we made a offer on, I should say. The sellers had told us that they were going to fix the air conditioning. They knew that it wasn't working. So when we wrote our offer, we not only asked for the seller's disclosures, the standard form that they fill out, we also asked for proof that the air conditioning had been fixed, because that was something they promised us, and so we wanted that as part of our document. So that's where you can put things in. You want to know that radon's been addressed. You want to know that the leak in the ceiling is taken care of if you already know about it. Or in this case, we wanted to know that the air conditioner had truly been fixed. So that's my third video for you. Stay tuned for more videos. Again, there's going to be lots of them. There's lots to learn, but I didn't want to overwhelm you. So I hope these are helpful. Please subscribe if you like them. I would love that, and share them with your friends, because I'm just a mom that became a realtor to help my family find a home, and I'm trying to teach you the things that I've learned. So until next time, remember, be savvy in your real estate.